All right, friends and patriots, so we have got a really fun day today. Motorcycle riding and mudbugs. Motorcycles and mudbugs, also known as crawdads or crayfish. We're eating them today for lunch. We've got some beautiful roads we're going to show you on the way to lunch. And then we're going to show you what it's all about eating those mudbugs. Let's go. So we're staged up here with a funny guy here in Bergheim, Texas. This is a great place to stage up with the rest of the motley crew when we're going on a ride. It's a nice central location and top off the steel horses. So we're going to hit some amazing roads right now. Can't wait to show you. And then we're going to finish up the day with some mudbugs. Friends and patriots, we just stopped to hydrate, stretch our legs a little bit. We're in the beautiful little town of Blanco, Texas. Just an adorable town. It's got some nice restaurants and places to visit. But we're just passing through, heading a little south of here. We're about 33 miles from the mudbugs for lunch. So let's keep riding. Patriots, welcome to the Screaming Goat. We are about to get some mud bugs. Good to see you, Blackhawk.
How are you?
Good. So what did you think about that guy who came to a complete stop on the 281 that crossed left on a double yellow line?
Yeah, he was an idiot.
I mean, that's how that's how you get people. That's how you get people killed.
I agree.
Would you like some water?
Did you bring him a bigger red? Bring him a bigger red.
But so the crawfish comes 5 pounds. What sizes?
You could either get 3 pounds, 5 pounds, or all you can eat. And honestly, I suggest that all you can eat if you want more than 5 pounds because it's only like 10 pounds.
Well, I can only eat 2.5. So I'm thinking we were going to share. So, but 5 pounds is enough for you and I.
Yeah.
Do you wanna promise her a big tip if she can get you some meat pies?
I just put them in. Oh, I'm not listening.
You were a sweetheart. Thank you, Jesse.
You're welcome.
Did we order?
Friends and Patriots, we made it to the Screaming Goat. Mudbugs. Blackhawk has joined us. Yep. Mudbugs. So they look delicious. Sniper Wolf did say they're a bit spicy today, though.
Oh my God, they're too hot.
Wow.
Yeah, so the heat on this crawfish is affecting Blackhawk's vocal cords over here, and I asked the funny guy over here what he thought, and he agreed that this is very, very hot, burning your mouth hot. I see.
It's spicy.
I see a lot of Rolaids in our future for the rest of the day. Well, I think we've only had crawfish here one other time.
What'd you say?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
So I was thinking about sturgeon. I was in my meat market this morning, my butcher shop, and they have this great sausage links, right? So I got 6. And I thought, all right, we're going to be up there for a week. I need to probably get 20 of these things, cut them in half, and then everybody gets a ration, every day. If there's a lot of beer flowing.
Are you just wanting to ration out your sausage? Is that what you're saying?
I think so.
He wants everybody to get people.
Yeah.
More
Turn around.
Moss survey.
Yeah.
Woo.
Hey, tell the chefs to bring out the flamethrower.
It's so hot.
It's really hot.
It's so good.
It's a pie.
Okay, my friends and Patriots. So most of us have eaten all the crawfish that we can eat. Funny guys over there still hammering away, but every single one of us is like, holy cow, my mouth is on fire. And my lips, these plump, tender lips that you see, are on fire. So
His lips are red.
they
Lipstick red.
lipstick
Mine or
red.
his?
So the flavor was good. And the stuff that was in there, the Brussels sprouts, potatoes, corn on the cob,
Hotter
was
than 4th floor of hell.
hotter than the 4th floor of hell, what the funny guy said, was even hotter than the crawfish. And so it was like, take one bite of a Brussels sprout, of corn, and it's like, oh my goodness, give me a fire extinguisher. So anyway, I'll probably send a message to JD, he's the owner here, just to give him some feedback, because as a business owner, if you don't get feedback from your customers, then you don't know what they want, and so I hope he'll find it constructive. And but I will give him some feedback. And
We do like spicy food, but this was like over the top spicy.
yeah, we do like spicy food, but all of us is like, holy cow. So, all right, friends. So we just finished up having Mudbugs here at the Screaming Goat. Oh my goodness, it was spicy. And but it was good. Just really, really spicy. All right, we're getting back on the motorcycles. We're gonna call it a day. We're gonna be going downtown, seeing one of our favorite bands tonight. So everybody's gonna go home, get changed, get cleaned up, and then get our party shoes on for tonight. So thank you for coming along. We appreciate it. And until next time, stay safe.